friends. How's everything? Everything is going well, and hope you all are doing well. Today I will ask some word meaning in Bengali and my sister will translate it in English. So let's dive into the video. Bolo.
Speak.
Shono.
Listen.
থামো।
Stop.
এদিকে এসো।
Come here.
এদিকে দেখো।
Look here.
এই নাও।
Take it.
কাছে এসো। কাছে এসো।
Come here.
উপরে যাও।
Go up.
নিচে যাও।
Go down.
নামো।
Get down.
চুপ করো।
Keep quiet.
এখানে অপেক্ষা করো।
Wait here.
বাইরে অপেক্ষা করো।
Wait outside.
তৈরি হয়ে নাও।
Be ready.
তাড়াতাড়ি করো।
Hurry up.
আস্তে আস্তে যাও।
Go slowly.
That's it for today. Bye bye.